Good evening, my name is Contreras and I will implement part 2 of assignment 7. First, I will install the virtual environment on my Raspberry Pi by typing sudo apt install python 3-venv. Next, I will go to the default Debian root by typing cd space -var-www. Type ls. Now it shows HTML and PyApp, which I've already created beforehand. Now I will change the directory to PyApp. Now I will enter the command sudo python 3-m venv. I will now change the directory to venv. Type ls. Now change the directory to bin. ls. Now we see all the files for the virtual environment are downloaded in a folder called venv. Inside the bin folder, I find the activate file that I will use in the next step. I will now activate the virtual environment by typing $-bin-activate. Now there is a venv prefix, which means we are in the current virtual environment. To exit, I will enter deactivate. Now I will type stat venv-. As you can see, the ownership has already been changed to Pi beforehand. Now I will reactivate venv and install Flask. I will reactivate venv. Now I will install Flask by typing pip install Flask. Now Flask has successfuli installed. Now I will create a Python file called hello-py. Sudo nano hello-py. As you can see, the code has already been done beforehand. I will save and exit the file. Now I will run the Flask application by typing export flask _app equal hello-py. Then Flask run. As you can see, it is running on a specific IP address, that is loopback address on port 5000, which means the website can only be accessed from Raspberry Pi itself. I will now open the Chrome browser on my Raspberry Pi and type 127 dash 0.0.1 5,000. Here you see Hello World Contreras. To quit, I will press Ctrl C. Now I will type flask run -- host equal 0.0.0.0. Now I am telling Flask to make the website public so that anyone can access the web server. I will now open a web browser from another computer and enter the IP address on my Raspberry Pi to access the server. This is currently another computer, my laptop. Now I will access the website with this web browser by typing the IP address of my Raspberry Pi following 5,000. Here we see Hello World Contreras. Now I will press Ctrl C to exit and type deactivate when I'm done.